It's What's for Dinner, y'all. Hey, loves. This is Chantel with Love You Studios, just bringing you along. After a day in corporate, I am making me some salmon croquettes today. That's what's for dinner. Salmon croquettes and some rice. See, yes, some rice. And a small salad, a quick salad, simple salad that will have lettuce, cucumber, and some avocado and a homemade dressing. And in my dressing, I use lime juice and honey, some spices, fresh garlic when I have it. I didn't have any fresh garlic, so I used some garlic powder, some onion powder, some chopped red onion, and a little bit of some homemade hot sauce that I had. Shook that up real good, got it mixed up real good. I actually made it earlier and had some with the salad that I had earlier for lunch, because that's what I had for lunch, a little green salad. But here's the dressing. Let me show y'all that. See? Just shook it up real good. Quick little dressing. I started making my dressings probably about a couple years ago because they taste better and I can put in them what I want in them. So what else did I add? A little bit of salt. I didn't have any, I wanted some oregano, but I didn't have any oregano. And I have some dried thyme, but I didn't feel like going and getting it off of the other room with all of my herbs and stuff. So I just left it at that. It's fine. Quick little salad, quick little meal. Let these finish cooking. And what's in the microwave is I was sipping on some coffee all day. You guys know I've really switched mostly to tea, but I will indulge in some coffee. So I've gone over my limit for today because I've had I've had 8 ounces. And I don't want this to go to waste, so I'm going to go ahead and drink this. And then I will make me a tea. I have been testing this tea over the last week or so, and it has really been coming through. And I have some other stuff coming. I just need to sit down and write out everything for the site and, make sure that the formula is solid, and then I'm going to actually test it out to a couple of people and go from there. But yes, that's what's on the horizon. Still working, doing new things, really kind of putting some things on the back burner as I focus more on the school opening. So that won't happen for some time. And I thought for a little while that I would be opening the school here in North Carolina, but I have since changed my mind, and I know that I'll be moving in a different direction. But that's what I've been working on. So I just wanted to bring you guys along. I know I haven't shared skincare content on a regular basis in a while, but I will get back to that. I just had some family stuff going on. Lost some family members, and life is lifing. But still grateful through it all. I hope you all are doing well, especially in this season. Y'all know the season we're in. Everything is kind of cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And how many of you will be glad when election season is over? I cannot wait, y'all. Let me get a plate so I can put them on here. Hold on, I'm coming, y'all. Coming. I had to pull my plate that I had under my rice cooker because I have very, very few dishes here. Oh, Lord. Now my alarm is going off. Hold, y'all. Y'all, this is my face. Look, why the fire alarm going? How the fire alarm? I had to cut you off. I put you on pause, but ADT called, and they had to call because the fire alarm is so close to this kitchen, this little bit of smoke sets it off like crazy. But they're done, and I'm actually plating, so hang out with me for a minute. Hold on, y'all. I'm so through. I'm like, how you gonna be on video and your fire alarm goes off? But it did. It went off like it was nobody's business. Like, this thing gets on my nerves. And it has been getting on my nerves. All right. So, I said a quick salad with some cucumber, avocado, and some greens. That's it. We're going to call it done. And then I will show you what I have. Just a minute, please. That don't make no sense. Ooh, my avocados are too hard. Well, I won't be having any avocado, but I will have some cucumber with my lettuce, which is fine. Because this is going to fill me up like real quick like. And I cut up, I have the small cucumbers. Oh, what is going on? Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. I had to come back after ADT called because my fire alarm was going off because my smoke alarm is so close to the kitchen. The smoke will, if I'm not careful, and I should have opened the back door, but I didn't. So anyway, ADT had to call, I had to get it off. And I'm just actually putting together my plate. So, hang with me. I tested mine. I thought I was recording just a few minutes ago, and I wasn't. I'm telling you. Maybe I was not supposed to be recording today. This is my homemade dressing. Just going to put just a little bit on my lettuce and cucumber, because that's all we're having. I have some pickled onions that I'll probably put on here. I pickled some purple onions. Let's get a few of those. Let's get a few of those. This is what these look like. And they're okay. It was the first time I've ever pickled. So they were just, they're okay. They're not as, I don't know, not as something. I don't know. But they ain't. So we're going to use them. Smell good. Did a few more. All right, that's it, y'all. Let me show you my plate. I'm going to sit down and have a meal. Okay, look, let me show you. There's the plate. That's my salmon patty or salmon croquette, my simple little salad, and there's my rice. And yes, I will be adding butter and sugar to my rice. And that's a meal. I hope you all are doing well and having a fantastic start to your week. We'll get back to skincare content. And I'm going to be creating a channel talking about some things all related to skincare, because everything, you know, on the inside reflects on the outside. So I'll be talking about some things along those lines. And of course, my journey. If you've been following me for any time, you know that I have been on a journey body and heal myself of hypothyroidism. So that's been going well. It's finally starting to, everything is heading in the right direction. I've been level for a while, but it was like working on now losing the weight. So it's finally starting to come off. So we'll talk about that a little bit more. But guess what? It's time for me to go eat my food. So I'm out, but it looks good to feel good. So love you. Have a good night.